Okay, what's up, everybody? This is Peter Chow, and I'm so happy to be here with you because I'm going to show you some of the secrets that I have um, managed to execute, managed to leverage on that helped me build my six-figure online business back in 2017 and 2018. And I'm going to share with you exactly what I did, the three main secrets, the three main executions that I've done. And I'm going to, at the end of the seminar, I'm going to give you something special, okay? And I hope you're excited as me to learn some of my automation secrets. Today's topic is all about leveraging a Facebook Messenger bot, okay? And I'm happy to be here with you to host this training webinar so that I can share with you my three main secrets. And let me just show you my slides. And today, we are all going to discover how a secret messenger chatbot hack can 10 times your online business in 2019, all right? Without you needing a list, without needing an authority, without needing social following or coding. Basically, what I'm going to show you is exactly how I got started in this industry with nothing, no name for myself. I'm basically a nobody. Now, in the previous job, I was a somebody in the industry, okay? But when I get into the internet marketing realm, I'm basically starting from scratch. So if you guys says that you have nothing, no, you don't have leads, you don't have authority, you don't have social following, wonderful, it's perfect because that's where I got started, all right? And later on, I will show you how exactly you can ethically knock it off in less than 5 minutes, all right? I'll give you something really special. Okay, so while I'm sharing you the three secrets, it's basically it's a blueprint of how I created my six-figure online business with three weird bot hacks, okay? And basically what I managed to do is I redefined the user experience for my audience. It is something that is unavailable back in 2017 because the 2017 was when Messenger as a platform began to gather attention, begin to come out from the woodworks, okay? So it's totally new. In fact, if you talk about where it is today in today's market, it is still considered an infant, okay? So we are going to, I'm going to give you something special at the end of the webinar. Now, if you stay till the end, right, I'm going to give you my exact automated process flow, as you can see from the screen over here, okay, the exact automated flow, so that you will have something that you can model on. You will have something that has proven to be working that you can start playing with and tweaking, and then you learn, because there's no other better way to learn by playing with it. All right, learning is nothing if you don't execute. So my goal is very simple. I want to show you what's been working for me in leveraging one of the most effective communication marketing platform available. We are talking about Facebook Messenger chatbots, right? And what I want to do is to expand your perspective, to expand your mind, so that you can see, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second time, but just to solidify the idea that Facebook Messenger as a platform, as a marketing platform, has huge potential. Okay, so I'm going to need your attention. Please silence your phone and turn off notifications for your social media so that you can fully focus on what I'm going to teach you. Okay, and I'm going to show you my exact chatbot execution. So who, what, why, how, and at the end of the training, I'm going to give you a very special offer.